Let's face it, we're all busy, and kitchen efficiency is essential. That's why batch cooking is an excellent way to save time when it comes to meal prep.
The achiote paste in this recipe gives you maximum flavor with minimal effort. It's nutty, slightly peppery, and even a little sweet.
Hi everyone, it's Gina Sunderland, Food and Consumer Relations Specialist with Manitoba Chicken Producers. Welcome to our Canada's Agriculture Day Facebook Live. I'm super excited to be joined here by one of our very own farmers, Janet.
Hi, I'm Janet, and I am a farmer, third generation from southeastern Manitoba.
The demonstration was super, and I really love these cookbooks. They're all easy recipes, and the kids really enjoyed them.
So step number one is to have a really good preheated oven. Chicken can cook at a pretty high temperature, and that can speed things up, but my favorite temperature for roasting whole chicken is 375 degrees.
Tell us what it is about chicken farming that you love so much.
Well, I grew up on the farm that we're currently farming at with my family. I've always enjoyed farming with my parents.
What do you want people to ask you when they come to this event too? Because they're going to be learning from you, and that's the most important thing.
Right. So I have a lot of confidence in my industry, and I love to share that confidence with people. So I know that my husband and I work hard to provide top quality chicken for everyone in Manitoba, and we also take care and are diligent with our job.
Manitoba Chicken Producers is pleased to be working and volunteering at Harvest Manitoba today. Manitoba Chicken Producers started our association with Harvest Manitoba going back about 7 or 8 years ago. Manitoba Chicken Producers at X Outdoor and Sunrise have donated 1,000 chickens a week for over 4 years. We're very pleased that those donations have now totaled over $2 million in that time frame.
Welcome to Great Taste. My name is Des Daniels, and we are here with Gina Sunderland tonight, Manitoba Chicken, and it's Manitoba Chicken Soup for the Soul. You know what? It's our 35th season. It's all about the feel good around here, and you are really making that happen tonight with these incredible soups.
My name is Colin Grenier. I'm from South Central Manitoba, and I'm a chicken and grain farmer. I always looked forward to going back to the farm. It's a big point of pride for our family, and it's something that we really enjoy doing together. Our farm, like over 97% of chicken farms in Manitoba, is family owned and operated.
My birds have to be active, healthy, and enjoying their life. It's just number one. It has to happen. And yeah, that's what I'm going to pass on to my kids. Treat these animals properly. My name is Jeremy. I farm in the southeastern Manitoba region, and I'm a Manitoba chicken producer. We love and have a passion for providing healthy, locally grown protein to our family and friends. So we eat what we raise, and we share that with others because we're proud of what we do.
Gina, we're into the fall months now, and one of my favorite things is to pull out that crock pot, slow cooker, and that's exactly what we're using for our recipe today. Tell us about it.
So today we are making our char siu pulled chicken. It is my favorite Manitoba chicken slow cooker recipe. We have all kinds of other great ones too on manitobachicken.ca.
I was definitely inspired by my parents to become a farmer, and I love working with the animals, being out on the farm. Always preferred that to inside chores. I'm Janet Friesen. I'm a third generation chicken farmer, and I'm from southeastern Manitoba.
We
traveled out to the geographical center of Canada to meet our next guest, Laurel Plett. She is a farmer, but Laurel, I'm going to have you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do.
Well, my name is Laurel Plett. Together with my husband Kevin and our 3 boys, we own and operate a chicken farm in Manitoba.
What's your favorite part about owning a chicken farm?
Well, I love being able to do it with my family. I love being able to work with my husband and my kids and get the job done. So that's my favorite part. But I also love to eat chicken. So I'm quite happy to raise chicken and I can eat it as well.